Okay, so we want to find the voltage between node A and B. Now, typically we would go down straight from A to B and uh, calculate voltage drops and voltage gains. But in order to do this, we need to find the voltage drop across the 2K resistor here. Notice that the 1K here, the other resistor between A and B, there's no voltage drop here effectively because this branch here is open, it goes nowhere. So in order to calculate the voltage drop across the 2K right here, I simplified this network of resistors and this current supply over here. So you can treat these two resistors as one, so that'd be a 20K resistor. So we'll say there, and then um, let's actually source transform that along with the 15 milliamp current supply. So this will become a voltage source, and 20K times 15 milli is 300 volts. So then we can draw this. There's a 2K here, and then there's a 6K plus the 20K that would from our transformation. So this would be a 26K resistor. And then we can draw, let's see that better. From here, this is our 2K that we're finding the drop across. Is that other 2K, and then there's the 1K, the voltage source, 7-volt voltage source, and then point A, here's B. Okay, so now what I did was I found the current going through this branch right here. So the current created by this 300 volt power supply goes through the 26K, through the 2K, through the other 2K, and back to negative here. Uh, so this will be, since these are all in series, this will be 26 plus 2K plus 2K, that's 30K. So uh, the current through that loop is going to equal 300 volts over 30,000 ohms, which is going to equal 10 milliamps. Okay, so we have 10 milliamps going this way through the resistor, and there is no current from this branch here because again, these are open. This is effectively not part of a circuit, so the only current going through the resistor, this 2K right here, is coming from this power supply right here. So if current is going this way, then this will be our plus, our positive side. This will be our negative side. And now we can just do 10 milliamps times 2K to find the voltage over the 2K resistor. So V2K is equal to, that will be 20 volts. And from there, now we can do the part where we go from A to B and we just count up our voltage, our voltages. So this is a 7-volt power supply. So that will be VAB equals, start with that. So it's -7. There's no voltage drop here because it's open. Then we have the -20, and then we're at B. So VAB equals -27